Okay, students, so let's complete the exercise of the chapter weather, climate and adaptation of animals with the climate. Okay. So last day I completed up to question number 6. Now today from question number 7. So everyone follow question number 7 on page number 78. Page number 78, question number 7. Page number 78, question number 7. The tropical rainforest has a large population of animals. Explain why it is so. So these questions, these 3 questions are of 2 marks, 2 or 3 marks question. So you will write in that manner. So the tropical rainforest, why it's having a large population of animals. So tropical rainforest get plenty of rainfall and also the temperature is moderate. The temperature is moderate. This weather pattern helps to grow varieties of plants. This weather pattern helps to grow varieties of plants. Depending on the plant, the herbivorous those who living on herbs, found in large varieties. The herbivorous found in large varieties. Full stop. Depending on these animals, other animals also can live in according to food chain. Full stop. So varieties of animals found in tropical region. First line, tropical rainforest gets plenty of rainfall. Tropical rainforest get plenty of rainfall. Okay. And also the temperature is moderate. This weather pattern helps to grow varieties of plants. Full stop. the herbivorous found in large varieties. Depending on these animals, other animals also can live in according to food chain. So, varieties of animals found in tropical region. Clear? Completed everyone? Respond quickly. Completed? Because I am writing on the board, so at the same time you will also complete it. Complete it fast. Thank you, Annesha, for completing the answer at number 1. Next is Dildar, Saptorshi. Okay. Question number 8. Read the question. Explain with example why we find animals of certain kind living in particular climate condition. You can see the boards, the writing are according to the corner. It is not that the camera is tilting, so the lines are not straight, but I am writing here in straight. Now question number 8. Why explain with example why we find animals of certain kind living in particular climate condition. Now write it at the same time. When I will dictate, then you will also write. Animals have to adapt by changing some features. Animals have to adapt by changing some features and behavior in a particular weather, or climate. Full stop. They cannot change these features. They cannot change these features or behavior by quick time. So they used to live in the area which suits their habitat. The climate of tropical rainforest, generally hot and humid with continuous rain, yes, support huge population of plants and animals. Yes, correct. I have given you many times to complete it. Now move to question number 9. This class will end. What is the time of ending the class? That is okay. Now move to question number 9. Question number 1250. Okay. Next question number 9. Everyone completed? Okay. Question number 9. Read the question. How do elephant living in the tropical rainforest adapt itself? So it is nothing but the adaptation techniques used by the elephant. Now what are the points here? The elephant, the adaptation techniques, the adaptation used by elephant are: number 1, the adaptation used by elephant are: number 1, its trunk, its trunk replacing nose, comma, used to get smell, is used to get smell. Number 2, trunk is also used to uproot plants or break the branches of trees for food. Trunk is also used to uproot plants or break the branches of trees for food. Number 3, next is that their ear, their task is also helped to get food. Number 4, their ear can hear very low voice, and also keeps them cool. Another one technique is their large legs. Their large legs is used to go through the wetty lands and also the small rivers, etc. This is also you can add here their legs also used to walk over wetland and small river. Clear? So these are the questions from completed. Thank you. Annesha Saptarshi. I am repeating, the adaptation used by elephants are: number 1, its trunk replacing nose used to get smell. Number 2, trunk is also used to uproot plants or break the branches of trees for food. Number 3, their tusk is also help to get food. Number 4, their ear can hear very low voice and also keeps them cool. And number 5, their legs also used to walk over the wet land and small river. Okay, so I will move to the next question. The next question is very easy question, is a multiple choice type question. So I can rub it. Ten. Question number 10. A carnivora with stripes on its body moves very fast while catching its prey. It is likely to be found in which area? In the polar region, in the desert, ocean, tropical rainforest. Now first tell me, the statement tells about which animal? Can you tell me? The statement tells about which animal? The statement tells about which carnivora? Tiger, yes. So tiger is found in the tropical rainforest. So option 4, tropical rainforest. Question number 11. Which features adapt polar bear to live in an extreme cold climate? Tell me, what would be the option, correct option for question number 11? What would be the correct option for question number 11? Is it a white fur, fat below skin, keen sense of smell, thin skin, large eyes, white fur, long tail, strong claws, white large paws, white body, paws for swimming, gills for respiration? Saptarshi, sorry, Arif, is it 4? Yes. So it is 1. 1. A white fur, fat under skin ... Number 12. Which option best describes a tropical region? Which option best describes a tropical region? Hot and humid, moderate temperature and heavy rainfall, cold and humid, hot and dry? Option 1, that is hot and humid. So these 3 are the options, correct option for the multiple choice type. Completed? Okay. Now, this is the end of. Now, tell me one multiple choice question. Which of the following briefly describes the desert climate? Which of the following basically describes the desert climate? Hot and humid, hot, dry and humid, hot and dry, hot and wet. Hot and dry, yes. Hot and dry is the weather of desert. Correct. Okay. Paheli went to a wildlife sanctuary where she saw dense vegetation of trees, shrubs, herbs, and also a variety of animals like monkeys, birds, elephants, snakes, frogs, etc. Full stop. The most likely location of this sanctuary is in the temperate region, polar region, coastal region, and tropical region. Temperate region, tropical region, polar region, coastal region, tropical region. Yes. Now I am telling some adaptive features of animal. What are the adaptive features? The layer of fat under the skin, long curved and sharp claws, slippery body, thick white fur. Okay. Which of them are the adaptive feature of polar bear? Layer of fat under the skin, long curved and sharp claws, slippery body, thick white fur. Polar bear. Polar bear, it does not contain any slippery body, so only 1, 2 and 4 would be the correct one. Okay, the slippery body is for the penguins like that. Clear? Which of the following statement is incorrect for penguins? Which of the following sentence is incorrect for penguins? They huddle together, they cannot swim, they have webbed feet, they have streamlined body. They huddle together, they cannot swim, they have webbed feet, they have streamlined body. Which one is wrong for penguin? Option again, they huddle together, they cannot swim, they have webbed feet, they have streamlined body. They have streamlined body, it is correct. They cannot swim, yes. They have streamlined body, it is correct. They cannot swim, it is wrong. They can swim well. Okay. So, that's all for today's class today. Next day, I will start the next chapter, that is the chapter 9, the soil. Okay. Okay.